Well, we now know that who may be the first ones to get a COVID-19 vaccine once approved.
Yeah, just this week, CDC advisors recommended healthcare workers and residents in long-term care facilities be the first in line.
News 3 reporter Zach Dahlheimer has more from a local infectious disease expert and from Governor Northam on preps here in the Commonwealth.
Never seen anything like this in my 40 years of practicing infectious disease.
Dr. Edward Oldfield reacting to news surrounding the race for a COVID-19 vaccine.
It's just extraordinary in time, extraordinary in science, extraordinary in the commitment to have this vaccine ready to go.
This week, vaccine advisors with the CDC voted to recommend healthcare workers and residents at long-term care facilities be the first to get it once one is approved. Oldfield agrees that healthcare workers are the #1 priority.
They have the most exposure. They're the ones on the front lines. If you don't have healthcare workers, who's going to take care of COVID patients in the hospital?
This makes sense.
Wednesday, Governor Ralph Northam gave expectations on what's next in the Commonwealth.
Assuming the FDA grants Pfizer emergency use request, vaccine doses will ship to the states immediately. This could happen as early as mid-December.
Northam says Virginia is expected to get about 70,000 doses from Pfizer in the first wave, enough to give 70,000 people a first dose of the vaccine. He tells us this will happen at hospital systems or places equipped with ultra-cold storage facilities.
While it will take time, Northam says it's important everyone get the vaccine once available.
That is our only path to getting back to that near normal, which we often speak about.
In the meantime, Oldfield says guidelines like mask wearing, social distancing, and hand washing are crucial.
Could you imagine if your grandmother died because you let your guard down and that vaccine came out a month later and could have saved her life? I think that we have to be even more careful now because we're just on the horizon of a truly protective vaccine.
In Norfolk, Zach Dahlheimer, News 3.